P Baro, Kania Kade Gadudashan, Meghalaya, Bani Pdang Snobhai P Baro, Shakania Katup Kubor, Mentaga Jan Meat, Schwaban Pai, Shaki Kubor Kibabania, Nina Petua, Yakimat Bakongsan. Benya Umentri Rangba Gajala, Ukonrad Kisangma, Yagajinyalang Jonga Climate Change Council. Lejungo Umentri Rangba Gajala, Konrad Sangma, Yakitanat Sorka Baper, Hapo Civil Secretariat, Banyak Ren Markmat Bat Kinong Tre, Bat Ban Shashkor Yakijingdan Kam Jongki. IT Kaseng Hinyotrep Youth Council, Yakashiti Ha Umentri Katanat Pule Puti Urakam Sangma. Khaddo Khadwai, Benbet Katanat PHE, Yakikam Kibakong San E, Bat Kahima Mau Klang. But an Ireng Kinong Kai Badminton Kari India, Haka quarter final Chongka Limpung, Thailand Open Badminton Ha Bangkok. Kikubor Kibabania. Umentri Rangba Gajala, Ukonrad Kisangma, Ula Penya Yakijinyalang Jongka Climate Change Council, Hakasngi Pale, Rangkat Bat Kitukot Kakenhuan Mentri, Bat Ki He Ki Han, Nagitanat Baper. Hakani Kijinyalang, Ka Council, Kalaya Mirching Mut Sanibha, Halor Kimat Kibayade, Bat Kiching Penne Pensa Iki Klau Kibitab, Banyada Yakitalong Bat Bantung Yakiding Kisiet, Badru Halor Kajingdon Kam Banya Trailang, Hapdeng Kitanat Sorka Baper, Bat Kiwe, Ban Nangkam Penbha Shushu Yakijing Tmu Banyada Bat Penne Pensa Yakispa Kame Mariang.
Of the amount, but of course there is a lot more to be done, and as we move along through the presentation and discussions, we will be able to come to a conclusion. So I also urge everybody to please participate. This is a very important meeting, and decisions we take today is going to really impact the overall situation comes to climate change. We're seeing the water problems we're facing. So these will only get worse in the coming years.
Umentri Rangba Gajala Meghalaya, Ukonrad Kisangma, Hakasngi Palay, Ulalit Jingo, Yakitanat Baper, Kum Katanat Sain Perthay, Katanat Ki Kampo Ying, Karep Karyang, Kakot Kakia, Tanat Boarding, Bat Kiwe, Hapo Civil Secretariat, Jong Gajala Meghalaya. Kani gajing let yuk chat chang u, kadai kam tam banyo ekren markmat bat kinong tre, bat ban shashkor gijing dan kam jengki, knang ba, onla ban tau ya kaslem tre kam kabak hamba. Umentri Rangba ula ongru, ba ansale kat bala ban tembiang ya gijing dan kam, kum gijing penbha ya kamadan madia, kiduli ban bukot, kejaka bu ya ke bam di, bat kejaka bam. Hadian balami ka kenram haskul ba nehu hakabayade bat ka examen CUET undergraduate arhajar arposau kaseng HYC kala dawa yakjing tokit ka babyang halor kani kapang kaseng HYC hakasni palay kala IT yakashiti sya umentri katanat puli puti urakam sangma hakaba la penpau syapang ki huri hura bat cingkul mar cingmut ki belachia dangshen hanehu dakabaong bakani gejingcia kala penlengkum jingmut bat bu jing shibun ki samla puli kaseng HYC kala ong bagi brieu bat ki he ki han ki badon kti ha kani gejing bakala ka bakrau ki dai ban shim ya kejing ket kli ha kaju kapor umentri ula pentip syakilat patai kubor ba umentri Rangba Gajala Ukonrad Kisangma ula khot jingalang ki he ki han jongka National Testing Agency bat jongka school ba nehu ha kasngi palai banyak ren halor kani gejingja.
Ai cái trình thua đinh là ai cái trình thua so education minister ba udai ban pha shman college bi khna ki badu ban pho ya city ki dei ban pya namar ka dei ke jingle man hi ka dei ke jingle bom supyo hi jong government dei na kada ko saja ko ni
seriously. Honorable Chief Minister has taken note very seriously and have decided to take up the matter with the NTA, with the Government of India. At the interest of our students. There are many students who could not, there are some few students who could not appear in the exam as well, and there are many rural, students who have not registered for the CUET examination, and our Honorable Chief Minister will be taking up the matter with the NTA and the government.
Katanat PHE ha ka ba khadu kalala ban pen bet yiki kam ki badon kam bat ke hima mau phlang ban yo ching bet ban te ya ka pumping station ka badon markhap bat ka wa yau menteri ketanat PHE Marquis Marak ula ong bayakani kamat lala ban pen bet no hadien ba ketanat PHE bat Wat Chief Secretary Ru kila Syong Jingalang bat ki bat ula ong ba menta ki kermen ban sedang no saya ka benta ka baar jong ki pumping station hapo ka benta ka balai jong ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme GSWSS
had a meeting, and even Chief Secretary has also had a meeting with the Himama plants, and then it's resolved now. So we are hopeful of starting the second phase of third phase pumping station in Himama plant.
Kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kelapen pau yang kejing khuslai jing mut chapang kejing her kerdan jang karukom yalap election na kabenta ke election Lok Sabha 2024 hapo jela Meghalaya bat lapen pau ru bagi beliau jang jela kiladum kabut ke start unong aiktien kaseng BJP uba M Kharkrang ula ong bagi jing yalap badang shen na kabenta ke election Lok Sabha ki penlet jing mut khambun halor ki kertong ha kaba ki seng san perthei kilaya kawang kti markeliang daki ktien ke ba om sngo tenat satia ula benyau ru bagi pat ba kimpat syai satia ya ke ka ba kini ki seng san perthei bat ki kertong jengki kitmu banle na kabenta ka bah kamiat ke jela lada ki syak jiet ula benrap ru baga jing yalap election kadai tang na kabenta ban kentho bat kren ben iwe ya iwe pan
I've seen the kind of campaigning that has happened in the last MP elections. It is more of calling each other names. It's more of saying very unpleasant words against one candidate, against the other candidate, one party against the other party, and you have very little time left to tell the public as what are you going to do when you get elected. And the thing is, I think so. Till now, we are really not clear as to any of these political parties if they win. What are they going to do in the interest of the state?
Dangshen ladon kecingkul mar hapo kesnong mai kuli hadien ba kinong snong napo jela Assam kila ker siet ya kesurok ha kabala ka lenti ya kesurok banlet syakakor teliat mau balapen yaj daka Surika Enterprise da kinong snong ka Azam kila keno ba kila syakta jer na kadau jong kecing bombyang jong kinala kila dawa badai banshna ya kitliu muri bad kinala hakmat jong ka border outpost jong katanat pulit Assam kabadan hakajaka badan cingakan at ya kaba kempat yo hadu menta layo jing tibru ba kecing pakhang surok da kinong Assam kala penke bitar lab ya kinong snong kamai kuli na kalyang gejala Meghalaya kaba layalam sya kecing ya lompat ba hakani kejaka kitmei kubor kila benrap ru ba kecing wan tuklar biang por daki Manchester na baro arliang kala penlong yaki bakin la banweng no da kabasuk basan yaki jingker sin ban penram cer ha kabaya dei bat kecing syak penyap dusman jong uba kermen lengdo nong laj ha uraju rajbar ha ka khatwei tarik ujemang kador bar snong pakon menta kasngi kala penlong ye kejing alang pat ba harengkat bat ka peace rally ha kani ka rally la sakhi ye kejing wan shim benta jong nong snong ka snong pakon ha ka ba la senran lang da ki seng bhalang ba pher jong karilum khasi jantia bat ribhoi ki seng kan thei ba pher bat ki khna school ki nong kren kila penrem Jursi kat day ha kabaya day bat kecing syak penyap urang ba beriau pakon bat kila dawa jur na kitanat pulit ba kadai ban simkhia ya kani kecing cia bat ban penshitam jur ki beriau ki badon keti ha kani kekam kat kum ki kendon ain da kebaset patok syirta jing
Kani ketam ni syania batila IT ha bol juga an ngit scam baka anji kan simnya ka senjam ka bakhame bat ka batenge bat ban prisaja ya uni unang punya bril ubaderu unang uni sisni uba siwan song belahane ni usimna ya kabu kum utrai halor utenrat hadis nang jongi
ka Agro Vision Arhajar Arpusau kala penlong ya gejingalang ka ba ars ngilenter nadu ka khanyo hadu khat pratarik ubanai jemmang ha CAU Impal Yam gejingalang ka baningkong jong ka Zonal Convention Northeast Bharat Futuristic Agriculture for Atma Nirbhar Bharat ha kaphang mingi chang kilomba Himalaya la ple perda menta kasngi ki professor bat ki samla puli na kaleng ki skol ba karep karyang chang kaphang shatei la mingi kila shimenta ha kani ke chingalang u professor Sanjay Kumar Singh u badai u DDG Horticulture Science chang ka ICAR ka Nongba Delhi ulalong kum ukong san ha kani kasngi ka Agro Vision Arhajar Arpusau kan saya keren chapang kimat bakong san e chang karep karyang bat banya phliu jingmut hakibabun ki phang bat gijing e chang karep karyang ha kani ka chuk menta bat kumno ban penbet yakini da ka ba pendan kam de ki kor ki bor bathamai bat ban wanra ya karep karyang ka ba khambha
animals and everything health sector what we are trying to get back to those practices that the traditional medicine system, which is already so powerful here. So that need to be mainstream and futuristic because wherever, the people who are moving, West had gone to the ebb of the technology, but they could now say that climate change, it is taking the toll on an entire environment, and now they are talking that no, it is.
Hadian kendiat sngi jo ka ching ther ulaba batang kumba kendiat kenta henin ka sngi kala don ka ching julor how West Giant Hills District ha ka ba ka kenro jong ka Police Reserve kala khlem na ka daw jong Islam kani ka kenro jong ka Police Reserve kala khlem tang hadian kendiat por ba uslap ularang kabadai kecaka kabala shna kerpang ban kenma burom ya ki pulit ki baladu ya la gajing em ha ka por ba kidang syakri ya ka kam ha ka lempung ya lekai badminton ki klur nong ya lekai badminton ke India kin saya kun ha ka quarter final chong ka lempung Thailand Open Badminton ha Bangkok menta ka jan miet ha ka men's double quarter final ki nong ya lekai nari India ba kenthop ya Usadvik Sairaj rank ready bat u Chirag Shetty kin saya kun persya ya u RK Yap bat u J Arif nari Malaysia ha ka women's double ka Tanisha Krastu bat ka Ashwini Punapa kari India ken saya kun persya ya ka Wiley bat ka SC Shin ki ba nari South Korea mentangin pej igijing long chingman ka sun beneng hanong ba shilong kaching shit kalong arpho nyo point nyo degree Celsius bat kaching kriat kalong khatsan point nrio degree Celsius kaching sngam ka haw kalong nyo pho a na kashispa man step bat nyo pho pra na kashispa janmit kala bandon kaching hap slap ka ba malumala bat kaching tiet uperthat hakikat tu kat ni kijaka Shwaban poi syaka bakut jong kathup kubor yang pej biang sasisien yakimat bakongsan Penyat Umentri Rangba Gejala Ukonrat Ki Sangma ya gejingalang jangka Climate Change Council. Lechua Umentri Rangba Gejala Meghalaya Ukonrat Sangma ya kikenat sorka baper hapo Civil Secretariat Panyakran Markhmat bat kinong trei bat banca skor di kicing dan kam jengki. IT Keseng Neutral Youth Council ya kasiti ha umentri katanat puli dangni urakam sangma khadu khatwai penbait katanat PHE ya kikam ke bakongsan e bat ke hima mau plang bat an aireng kinong yelekai badminton keri India ha ka quarter final chong ke lempung Thailand Open Badminton ha Bangkok Te paralog katung ila poisha ka bakut jong ka thup khubor chingi menta ka janmit hadu bangin dai shembyang bat phila shai kasngi khublei phi baro
Drink to know to avoid the effects of